explaining something about let me on this data. We are explaining something about news before. How news affects market. So it's very important because you're supposed to know what and what is moving the market. You understand? So we have three major things that move the market. You understand? We have supply and we have demand. Supply we call it resistance. All the language is the same o. Supply we call it resistance. That is the sell area. We will also call it resistance. And then demand we call it buy and we also call it support area. You understand? So that is how it is. You get? So now like for example now what I'm explaining this place that if no like how news affect the market I've already talked about that one. So the three major things that affect the market they are the one I called out. You get? So now this trade that I enter at this level this trade that I enter at this level, the reason why it's coming down is because of this thing. You understand? It's because of this I hope you are seeing where my arrow points. It's because of this resistance area. You understand? If you can see closely, this wick that spike up touch that place. You understand? Then when it touch it immediately, it start falling down. So Olangomawa, it might hit my SL. You understand? When it's at this area, I was thinking to go out of this trade because of this signal, because this thing that happened at this place is is also very, very strong. So it might affect it to fall down. You understand? Because of this place. This is a supply zone. You understand? And it's you cannot just do away with it. You understand? And then the reason why you are seeing this type of spike like this, let me explain so that you not get confused, because it's not the same with the rest of the candle. You understand? It's
This one
because
is more tiny.
um it's because of sometimes price will just went up within 1 week, price will go up, no stable, went down again.
Like fluctuating.
And yes, I hope you have noticed that type of thing with let me just assume that okay, you people are selling charger you people are selling charger or power bank at the rate of 15,000. Before you know, within 1 week it went to 20,000 and still went back again to
Went
that
to
15,000.
15 again, yes.
You understand? It happened between a short period of time. That is what we call that is weak here. The price is not strong and it's not that it's stable. So when it went up immediately, hey, it has gone up, it has gone down again. You understand? So that is what we call weak. You understand? So and then if we are to analyze this thing again, I told you, for you to analyze any pair, let me make you clear. If you want to do market analysis now, you check what happened previously. You understand? You check what happened previously to judge the one that you do not know. You understand? So that is what is happening here. What happened at the left hand side? The left hand side you have already known. What will happen at the right hand side have not known.
Yes.
You understand? And if you are writing from the left hand side to the right hand side.
Yes, yes.
So you have seen what you have written on the left hand side already. But whether if it is east or day that will end the right hand side a
You don't know
line
yet.
you do not know yet. You understand? So what happened at the left hand side, you use that to judge the current one you have not known,
Mm.
the one that you are yet to know.
Mm.
You understand? So if you want to analyze now, analyze any chart now, you look at what happened at the left hand side, the one you have seen already, to judge, to predict the one that you have not seen. And it's a gain of probability.
Mm.
You are not 100% sure. You understand? So now, if I should give you reasons again that this will not hit my SL, I can still give you reasons why it will not hit my SL. And what is my reasons? I will just look at what happened here
Mm.
to judge what is going to happen at this place that I have not known by using my tools. You understand? And your own, what you use as your own tools is not the same with my own here. Your own, you carry pen and paper. You understand? You carry pen and paper and you write down what happened at the previous market that you stock your shop, and then the one that people are saying. Maybe you have been to market for months now or more than. So the current month, those people that go the current month, you ask them, you take their own analysis to judge the one you are going to buy. Then you know which shop you should go.
Mm.
You understand? Because it's not all shop that will permit how you want to buy.
Yeah.
Because how you will buy it will affect how you will sell it.
Yes.
You understand? If you do not buy well, you will not sell well.
Yeah.
But if you buy well, you will sell well with a good profit. You understand? So likewise to forex trading also. The reason why I'm using, I don't just want to take it as forex is for you to have
A proper understanding.
yes, since it's your first introduction to trading. You understand? So now, what I want to do now, I have already picked something, pick something to analyze it. I will just uh yes, so now, that is how we do analysis. So now, right now, I'm seeing, I'm currently seeing a touch at this place. I'm currently seeing a touch at this place. So now I'm now expecting that, okay, the previous thing that happened at this place, it must still respect it again. So it will not exceed this place down, that it will go up. That is my reason now. That is what I'm reasoning now. You understand? And I said, okay, top. This reason, I find that this place is not reason enough. You understand? I still want to look for another confirmation again to
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 back
to
up.
justify my entry. You understand? So what should I do? I'll still pick up another thing again. We call this one technical analysis to draw this thing. So now, as I have successfully draw this trend line, we call this one trend line. As I have successfully draw this trend line, I now know that, okay, this is first touch. I now know that, okay, this is first touch, then this is second touch, then this should be the third touch. You understand? Okay, we have been buying this thing and this is the price we have been buying it to. We bought it first at the rate of so money, second again at the rate of so money. So what I'm expecting on upcoming market is that it might respect the initial price we used to buy it before. So even if the market will increase, it will increase a little bit.
Yeah.
I hope you guys used to tell yourselves some things like that. So that is what I'm predicting at this place. You understand?
Mm.
So at this level now, this is a demand level. So I now say that okay, since it has respected it once, second, this is third one, it might still respect it again. That is my reason.
Mm.
I understand him back.
Mm.
That is my reason.